In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment methods on your Wix website. We'll move step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to connect payment options so your customers can check out smoothly and securely. First, log into your Wix account and head to your site's dashboard. This is the main control center where you manage everything for your website. From here, look to the menu on the left-hand side and find the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where Wix keeps most of the important controls for your site, including payments, store options, and other advanced tools. Once you're inside the settings area, you'll see different sections organized by category. What you're looking for is the section called Accept Payments. Click on Accept Payments. This is the dedicated page where Wix lets you manage all the ways your customers can pay you, whether that's by credit card, digital wallet, or manual options like bank transfer or cash on delivery, depending on what's available in your region. On the Accept Payments page, Wix will usually show you a list of recommended payment methods based on your location and business type. Take a moment to review these options. This is where you select which payment method you want to add. Think about what works best for your customers and for your business. For example, many businesses like to enable credit and debit card payments, and sometimes a local method that's popular in their country. If you already use a specific provider for other parts of your business, you might want to stick with that for consistency. When you've decided which payment method you want to use, find that option in the list and then click on Connect. Clicking Connect will start the setup process for that specific provider. Depending on the method you chose, Wix may open a new window or a setup panel asking you to either sign in to an existing account with that payment provider or create a new one. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and make sure that the business details you enter match the information you use elsewhere, especially for tax and verification purposes. After you finish the connection process, return to the Accept Payments page and confirm that the new payment method is marked as active. Once it shows as connected and active, you're ready to accept payments through that method on your Wix website.